Hey guys, so I'm just here at the property. I'll show you through now and do a walkthrough. As you can see, this is a cracking property. It's been painted outside. It is absolutely beautiful. It's all been fully gurneyed. It's all been painted outside, painted inside, new carpets. It looks immaculate. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car park. You can see that it's just down from Activity Park. There's a massive park that's just down that road there. So we'll go through and have a quick look at the property now. So beautifully landscaped front. Now, if you want, you can actually put a fence out from the letterbox here, but we'll walk through and have a look at the actual property itself. So as we walk in, first thing you'll notice, it's immaculate, clean, all freshly painted, beautiful carpet. And it's also really quiet. There's no street noise of any sort. So it's in a really quiet pocket of Caloundra West. So the first thing we do is we walk into this first room. So beautiful new carpet, new fans, fully painted, beautifully presented. We come into the hall, and then we go into a second living area. So this could be a 4th bedroom or a really nice second living area. Okay, and then you've got a nice side yard as well, so there's plenty of room down the side if you wanted to do something down there. And then we go from here, we can turn left and see the front door, or we can come right and we can go into the garage. The garage has just had all of the floors painted, so it looks beautiful. Again, all freshly painted all the way through. You've got a really nice laundry here, clean and fresh. All the silicones have just been redone. And then as we go out the back here, again, you can see all been gurneyed, all been cleaned in immaculate condition, really nicely landscaped. Everything is fresh and clean in this property. I'll come back after I've actually gone through the property down that side again. So again, this is the laundry. And as we then come into the hall, we walk down to the hall. The first thing you'll notice is massive high ceilings here. So these ceilings are raked ceilings. They come down on an angle and it just creates this ambience of light. So I'll just walk in this room and show you. So you've got a massive linen cupboard here. You've got another bedroom here, bathroom here, toilet there. You've got a master bedroom here, which I'll show you, a really nice outdoor area. And then you come into this great kitchen, air conditioned, with new appliances, a new oven, new hot plates. All the silicones have been redone, all the painting's done. You can see the grout in the tiles is immaculate. It's all perfectly clean all the way through. So as we're here, that's the hallway. So we had garage and living and then a bedroom down the end. So we'll come into this second bedroom now. Again, new fans, freshly painted, brand new carpet. Great robe. And we've got a separate toilet here, and then we've got a bathroom. And this bathroom looks immaculate, it looks brand new. It's got a bath, great vanity, big mirrors, fully painted. You can just see the quality of the shower screen here. It's just fantastic. So it's a really nice, clean bathroom. And then we come around the corner. I'll take you into the bedroom now. So we'll go into the master bedroom, and this is a massive master bedroom. 3 big mirror sliding doors, really nice large bedroom, air conditioning, and then we go into the vanity. So the vanity is fantastic. The ensuite, again, really nice shower, really clean, like it's just an immaculate condition, the whole property. Lots of natural light coming in here. And then this has got a sliding door out to the outside area as well. And then we go into the living. So we're in the garage, we're in the kitchen here, stone bench tops, really nice cabinetry. You can just see the cabinetry is all in immaculate condition. You know, beautiful new appliances, new oven, and you can just see the bench tops, like it's just really clean. And then as we go, we've got this living area here, and then we go to the outside area. So the outside area has a lot of space under the cover here, and then you've got this yard. So the yard runs all the way down the back, okay, and then you've got space down the side as well, down here with a gate there, and then you've got a massive water tank with a pump that circulates the water inside, and then you go out to the side here, which is where we came from the laundry door before, which was there. So that's the walkthrough. This is a cracking property, beautiful location. It's definitely worth inspection. It goes on the market today. So if you wanted to come through, please let us know, and I look forward to seeing you soon.